Here we are once again, not gaming on Linux Kubuntu. Instead, I'm going to walk you guys through an issue I've been having with my Linux Kubuntu gaming system. So basically what's been happening is my hard drive has randomly started to write data, and it's maxing out all the available space I have, and I'm trying to figure out exactly what's going on. So to do this, I found an interesting tool inside the Software Center. What I did was I opened up Software Center, typed in disk to see if there's anything that can help me. And this popped up right here, this Graphical Disk Map, which basically gives you a visual representation of everything on your disk. And it can help you basically solve exactly what I'm trying to find. It helps you find directories that are massive, and can really help you pinpoint exactly what you are trying to, or what you need to delete. So I went ahead and installed this, so let's go ahead and run it. And when you first pull it up, it's kind of confusing. It just has a black space, and I noticed some people in the reviews of this were knocking it because of that. But it's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to go up here to the top left where it says open a folder. You're going to click there. It gives you a few different directories. It gives you your home. Mine is called com for ComTech Engineer. And it gives you a few other directories. This is my secondary storage. So what I would recommend starting, because you most likely have the same issue I did, I would recommend start scanning in the file system. This is your Linux root system here. So you're going to click there and click open, and it's going to sit here and scan for a while. Mine came up pretty fast. Usually it takes a minute or two, but since I just did this scan, it probably already has the data cached. So you can probably already tell there's these 4 gigantic rectangles here, and if you look in the bottom left hand corner, they're each about 190 gigabytes in size. So right there, that is our culprit that's eating up all our disk space. Over here on the right hand side, this is all our system files, which are taking up a tiny sliver. So what we have to do here, we have to navigate to these folders down here, these directories. So it's going to be var and then log and then /syslog. We need to navigate there and delete these log files. So let's see if we can do that now. We'll pull up our Dolphin File Explorer. I like to go to home, and then I like to click here and click on this little slasher. That gets you to the root. So let's find var, which is right here, and we need to find the log, which is right here. And these 2 files right here, you can see they are the ones we're looking for, 190 gigs, and the other 2 should be down here somewhere. I may have passed them. Yep, okay, they're right here. So those are the 4 files we need to delete. Basically what happened, I tried to open up one of these to read and actually see what the heck is going on with this. And it crashed my system when I tried to open it. If yours isn't 190 gigabytes, you can probably open it, and how you do that is you right-click on it and click Open with Kate. This is, of course, in Linux Kubuntu. Ubuntu may be a little bit different, but Kubuntu uses Kate as the text editor. So it's up to you. If you think you can open it, go ahead. But basically what happened to me, since it's 190 gigabytes, it crashed my system. I had to do a hard reboot, so I can't find out exactly what's going on. Most likely it's something stupid that is just writing over data to the hard drive. And by deleting this, I'm not actually solving the problem. I'm actually it's not making it worse, but what I need to do is I need to get a log file I can actually open and analyze. So I'm going to have to delete these, probably reboot my system. And if it starts filling these up again, I can actually read them and see what's actually going on. There was a post in an Ubuntu forum that had a really good solution for this. Basically, it's a script that will save your syslog in chunks of about 5 gigabytes. So it'll save 5 gigabytes, archive it, then start a brand new archive. So that's a way better method than having this gigantic syslog file here. And that way you can actually, it'll segment it so you can actually open those log files and see what the heck is going on. So once I delete these and get my system back up and running, I may have to go ahead and do that. But I will put a link in the description below to that forum post so you guys can check it out. So that's about it for this video. Hopefully this helped some people. I know I've been kind of pulling my hair out trying to figure out what exactly has been going on with this thing. So it was a huge relief when I figured out it was just these stupid log files getting written. So that should be about it. Thanks for watching.